Yeah, this is Venkat for Testimonial Software.co. One of the reasons why a website alone is not enough these days is because people wanted to see a proof that you are consulting work or a small business work or a home services business, or even if you're selling a SaaS and enterprise software product, people need to see a case study or a collection of proofs in the form of exclusive proof page or a widget. And that is what you get in the testimonial software. I'll just go through what you have to do to get started. The first thing you have to do is go to settings page. As soon as you land, there is a getting started that also you can use. So in the business workspace, write your business name over here. Okay. And then change the slug as you want. But this is not going to be permanent. This slug, it is your subdomain. Once you upgrade, it is going to be your subdomain, which is going to work for you. Okay. You can register as proof.yourdomain.com or proof dot or testimonial.yourdomain.com or customer.yourdomain.com, whatever it is. So these are the two important things you have to do in the settings page. Then comes the next thing, which is branding. For your proof page, you need branding. So write your business name there. You can upload your logo, icon, what you want it to be in the top bar, what you want it to be, what are the links you want to be in the footer. There is also a CTA in the top bar. So all those things you can do in the branding. The most important thing over here is the library. Remember that library is the place where you have all the approved testimonials. Even when an enterprise software company uses this product, I want to ensure that it goes through the compliance in their organization. That's why we have a form where you can create form. So always use this quick form because mostly people don't want to answer bunch of questions. Okay, if you think that there are chances that people will answer bunch of questions, at least up to 5 questions, then you can always use the interview form. So mostly I recommend using a quick form. It will just have one feedback, one answer, one testimonial. Okay, and always choose an unlisted form. There is no much difference in the unlisted and the public form. Nothing much happens in the public form, but once you choose the public form, this is not private. This is also form where, if you share the link, anyone can use the unlisted form. But in a public form, you can choose one of the public form and make it as a primary form. So that will be in your colored page, publicly visible testimonial page. Okay. But mostly you can always choose a unlisted form and then write the name of the form here. You can write you can create a form over here. Okay. Now we will come to the review. All the testimonials which are actually successfully submitted, both written and video testimonials, comes to the review page. Once you approve the testimonial and when it is getting moved to the library page, from here only all the testimonial that you have collected, whether written or video, can be used in a widget or you can use that in the proof pages. So now when you come to proof pages, you have a sample proof page template. Always use this to showcase collection of testimonials. Sometimes in very rare cases, what happens is that you wanted to show a customer story for small businesses. Also, let's say one customer journey, you want to showcase that in the case study format. For that, I've made a template like this. For enterprise software company also, let's say you have a customer, you have a prospect to whom you have to tell a story about how the product was used, how it was, how was the customer journey, what was the benefits the customer eventually derived after the product was implemented. So those things can be done in the case study pages. Widgets, basically, sometimes you can have this, in the settings page, proof.yourdomain.com, proof.yourwebsite.com. People sometimes wanted a widget in their own existing website. So that is why you have widget. Currently, there is a single widget with word testimonial or video testimonial you can use. In future, I'll be adding more templates to it too. As of now, you can add one widget, be it written or video testimonial, on your home page or any landing page, whatever it be. Okay. I wanted to go beyond having testimonial software. That is why I have a case study page. And to get answers for the case study page, you need to have a survey forms also. So this is a basic survey forms where you can create surveys. Those who are in the silver and the gold package, they can create surveys. Anyway, this is a small intro I want to do because when I'm launching the product, I want to ensure that, I make a quick video. So hope you make use of testimonial software.co. If there are any Anything you want to learn, you want to communicate, especially if you are an enterprise software company or SaaS product, you want to choose the right product, right package, message me any time of the day in this chat widget, or you could also email me. Okay. Thank you so much and good luck to you.